Exposing the power in the petite, today we'll explore how a tiny spot of mould reshaped modern medicine. In 1928, inside a rather ordinary laboratory, something extraordinary caught the eye of Alexander Fleming, a Scottish bacteriologist. While studying a common type of bacteria, he noticed something unexpected. A mould had invaded one of his experiments, but instead of ruining it, this mould was actually killing the bacteria around it. This wasn't just any mould, it was Penicillium notatum, and it would become the world's first true antibiotic, penicillin. Imagine, at a time when minor infections could mean death, this discovery was nothing short of a miracle. Diseases like pneumonia, gonorrhea and rheumatic fever, which were often fatal, could now be treated effectively. The impact? Profound. Penicillin not only saved soldiers' lives during World War II, but it also kicked off a medical revolution, paving the way for the development of countless other antibiotics. Today, thanks to this accidental discovery, we have a powerful weapon in the fight against bacterial infections, transforming healthcare and drastically reducing mortality rates. So next time you take an antibiotic, remember this: a simple mould in a petri dish in Fleming's lab didn't just change medicine, it changed the world. Fascinated by how a small discovery can make a big impact? Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing stories from the world of science.